I wanted to give you a little tip on the barley mills. One thing I always hear on the internet is that the knurl on the rollers has worn out and it won't grab the grains and crush them anymore. So thought I'd give you a little tip, because when I first got the barley mill, or barley crusher, it was working great and it did the same thing. It just didn't grab the grains anymore. So I thought the rollers were worn out. So I went out and got a Kedco 3-roller, which is a great barley crusher if you need one. But I learned something, and something very important: you need to clean the rollers. So what I use is a wire wheel. This is a battery cleaning brush, and also just another little steel brush. So let me show you what I mean. Alright, so get some gloves so you don't cut yourself, and just take the wire wheel and just run it along and clean the knurls. Just make sure you get all around them. Do it for about 5 minutes, and then I like to take the battery cleaner, and that helps me get in the corners. Because what people don't realize is these get caked up. And same thing, just keep going over here. And I'll grab the next one. And the same thing. You can see right here where it's all caked up. Take this. Get this side. Then what I'll do is just take the air compressor and blow it out good. So I would probably do this every 4 or 5 times that you mill. For the top too, I could just take this top off, but I'm not going to bother. Sometimes the rollers spin as you're doing it. Alright, I hope that helps your problem. If you have a problem crushing any grains,